Today is Monday and potato soup is what is for dinner. This was boiling for a long time and it's going to be delicious, and we are having it with some toast. See you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone, it is Tuesday and I am making spaghetti. I sauteed some mushrooms with some onion and then I added the ground beef. Ooh, it's steaming up. Parsley, Italian seasoning, and fresh garlic. And then I have this open jar, just a little bit used out of the marinara sauce. I'm gonna see if I need more or not, but so far it's smelling delicious. It's gonna be yummy. So I ended up using that whole jar plus another jar, and I added some of this Parmesan cheese. Made a huge batch and the kids are ready to dig in. See you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone. So today is Wednesday and I'm going to show you guys what we're eating throughout the day. This might look like a little mini grocery haul. Well, it is. I went to my freezer and grocery shopped from my freezer. So 3 of my 4 kids are home today. So we are going to have lunches and dinners, and then they eat pretty much all day long in between. So I have these 2 pizzas that I pulled out of the freezer. I'm going to pop these in the oven within the next hour or so. Noah's the only one at school and he has a short day today, so he'll be home soon too. And then I found this chicken fried rice, this teriyaki chicken. We're gonna kind of make those with dinner, and then I'll probably make some extra white rice in my rice cooker just in case someone doesn't like the chicken fried rice. And then I pulled out these brats just to thaw out and to have in the fridge, and then my kids like to pop those in the air fryer and eat them as a snack. And then we had 4 beef patties, and I have 2 in the air fryer, and then I'll do 2 more. We don't have any hamburger buns, but we're just using toast bread, sliced bread, and we're toasting it, and that's what we're gonna have for our burgers. And then I also found these cauliflower fries that I'm gonna throw in the air fryer as well. And I found some frozen bagels and some ham. My little one was just asking for sandwich meat, so I pulled that out. So obviously a few things will be eaten throughout the week, and then the pizzas, the fries, and the teriyaki and the burgers are going to be eaten probably today. We have a little bit of spaghetti, not even like a portion left, and some of the kids had that for breakfast, so there's only a little bit left. And then we have a little bit of the potato soup left, maybe for like 1 or 2 people to eat, and that's about it. We're really just trying to eat what we have. So that is what we are having. Here's our burger: mayo, ketchup, mustard, cheese on toast, and then I have the cauliflower fries in the air fryer, and just a simple lunch, and just cleaning out. Here are the cauliflower fries. I took a bite and they are really delicious. So I have the pizzas in the oven going, and then once the pizza's finished, I have these fudge brownie mixes that I got from Walmart. They actually came home delivered. I think they were like 90 cents or something like that, or 96 cents a box. I have 2 of them. I'm gonna make up some brownies because I haven't made brownies in a really long time, and we have a lot of ice cream to go through, so I'm hoping that the kids will have brownies with some ice cream on top and get rid of some of the ice cream from the freezer. One of the pizzas. It's thin crust and it smells delicious. So here is the fried rice. I just put a tablespoon of oil, and then you're supposed to just stir it. Seems like it's sticking a little, and cover it. And then I have white rice in my rice cooker, and that teriyaki chicken going in the air fryer, and the brownies are still in the oven. So here is the teriyaki chicken. It came with 3 of these sauces, and I feel like 2 is more than enough. Here is the chicken fried rice. I did add 1 extra egg, and then I have white rice going there. So everyone is just gonna put themselves a plate, and we still have some pizza from lunch, and this is what the spinach and mushroom pizza. Here are the brownies, and you can tell Noah's already gotten into them. And yeah, I'm gonna cut some up, and they smell really good. Hi everyone, it is Thursday, and I am going to be making a tortellini soup. So I took these out of the freezer yesterday. The kids have been snacking on them in the air fryer, and then I used 3 to saute to make tortellini soup. This is the vegetables I use. This is my base. So I sauteed the sausage. I took it out, and I do have a little bit of olive oil in there. Salt and pepper. I will be putting some Italian seasoning, and then I am thawing out bone broth in my microwave. And this should come together pretty quickly. I'm also going to make some couscous. I have this huge bag that I've had for a really long time. We have leftover white rice from yesterday's dinner to go with our Hawaiian chicken, But I'm also gonna make 4 cups of couscous. I have the water coming to a boil. I'm gonna put in the couscous. I'm gonna add some olive oil. I have cilantro and parsley, so I'll just do parsley, and then a zest of a lemon and salt and pepper. My couscous, I just had the water come to a boil. I took it off the stove. I put a 10-minute timer, and my lemon was really small, so I zested it, and then I also used that much lemon, a bunch of parsley, and then in 10 minutes I'm just gonna fluff it up, and that should be really delicious. Really quick, you guys, with couscous, can you store it for long-term food storage? Let me know in the comments below, please, because it cooks so fast, way faster than rice, faster than quinoa. So I'm thinking this would be a great emergency situation, kind of if you need something quick. But I don't know how long you can store it. I forgot to olive oil, so I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil, and then I'm just gonna fluff it up with a fork. So here is the couscous with the Hawaiian chicken. Absolutely delicious. The tortellini soup is almost done. I just turned off the tortellini soup. Oh, there's some chunks of cream cheese. Those will melt out. I'll kind of press them against the pot. Doesn't that look delicious? The kids have already gotten into the couscous. It's really good, and we are hoping for leftovers, but you just never know with the tortellini soup. Even though this is a huge pot, it's usually gone within the first day. Hi guys, it is Friday, and here we have leftovers. I just heated up a bunch, and everyone's gonna eat. And the kids have also been eating the tortellini soup and other things from the fridge. And we are just keeping it very simple. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning, and my husband made fried eggs for the little ones. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Lucas. Yeah, so this is what they wanted, and that's what they're eating. And then tonight we are going to my niece's Sweet 16 party, and we'll bring you guys along. Hi, everyone. So we are at my sister's house celebrating my niece's birthday.
Not my birthday, somebody else's birthday.
This is my other niece. Say hi. Look at all these yummy, delicious foods we had. That's my sister. And we also had pizza, so let's go get the pizza. Hi, everyone. So we are celebrating my niece's Sweet 16. This is the leftovers. Lots of cake. Look at this cake that my sister made. Tamari, say hi. That's my other niece. And that's my brother-in-law. Adi, say hi.
Hello.
And that's my sister. Oh, yeah.
That's right.
That's right. And we had pizza from a pizzeria. She's got a tea station, drinks. And there's some people over there. Damaris, what do you want to say to the people? She's a little busy.
Have a blessed year, guys.
Have a blessed year, guys. Everyone say hi.
Hi. Hello, everybody.
Hi. So the kids are outside. There's more kids upstairs. Just making good memories and eating delicious food. Okay, say bye to everyone. It was a good party, huh?
It was.
It's so funny because the guys are outside and the girls are upstairs. It's hilarious. You guys, it's Sunday and we had frozen pizzas. This is all that's left over, so didn't get a shot of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of what's for dinner, and I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.